What's up, Speed Society fam? Today, we're rolling out in style with a cruiser that blends classic heritage and raw power, the 2025 BMW R18. This bike isn't just about nostalgia, it's a rolling masterpiece layer with that iconic boxer engine rumble and BMW's modern finesse. With its low-slung stance, exposed shaft drive, and that big boxer rumble, the R18 doesn't shout, it commands respect. It's built for riders who value craftsmanship, torque, and a ride that feels like destiny under your hands. So gear up, because we're diving into what makes the 2025 BMW R18 such a legendary ride. The legacy of BMW R18 Cruiser. The BMW R18 Cruiser is more than just a motorcycle, it's a tribute to BMW's rich heritage. The R series has been a cornerstone of BMW motorrad since the 1920s, and the R18 carries forward that legacy with pride. Inspired by classics like the 1936 BMW R5, the R18 Cruiser embraces old-school charm while incorporating modern advancements. The exposed drive shaft, chrome detailing, and iconic boxer engine layout pay homage to BMW's history while ensuring this bike feels contemporary. It's a perfect fusion of past and present, designed for riders who value tradition but refuse to compromise on performance. Design and aesthetic. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2025 BMW R18 Cruiser, its commanding presence is undeniable. The bike's massive 1,802 cubic centimeters boxer engine sits prominently, exuding raw power and mechanical beauty. The teardrop fuel tank, stretched-out wheelbase, and low-slung silhouette give it a classic cruiser stance, while the high-quality paint finishes and chrome accents add a touch of luxury. The attention to detail is impeccable, every weld, bolt, and curve has been meticulously crafted. The LED lighting, minimalist bodywork, and dual exhaust system further enhance its aggressive yet elegant appeal. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a rolling work of art. Engine and performance. At the core of the 2025 BMW R18 Cruiser lies its most defining feature, the massive air/oil-cooled 1,802 cubic centimeters boxer twin engine. This powerhouse delivers 91 horsepower and a staggering 116 lb-ft of torque, ensuring effortless acceleration and a thunderous exhaust note. The engine's long-stroke design prioritizes low-end grunt, making it ideal for relaxed cruising and highway overtakes. The 6-speed transmission, coupled with a hydraulic clutch, offers smooth gear changes, while the shaft drive ensures low maintenance and durability. Whether you're rumbling through city streets or eating up miles on the open road, the R18's engine provides an intoxicating blend of power and refinement. Technology and features. Despite its retro-inspired design, the 2025 BMW R18 Cruiser is packed with cutting-edge technology. The full-color TFT display provides essential ride information while maintaining a clean, uncluttered look. Multiple riding modes, rain, roll, and rock. Adjust throttle response and traction control to suit different conditions. Standard ABS and Automatic Stability Control (ASC) enhance safety, while optional features like Hill Start Control and Reverse Assist make handling this heavyweight a breeze. The adaptive LED headlight improves visibility, and smartphone connectivity allows for navigation and media control. BMW has ensured that while the R18 Cruiser looks classic, it doesn't skimp on modern conveniences. Handling and comfort. Given its size, one might expect the R18 Cruiser to be a handful, but BMW's engineering ensures it remains surprisingly manageable. The low seat height, just 27.2 inches, makes it accessible for riders of different statures, while the relaxed riding position reduces fatigue on long journeys. The suspension setup, a telescopic fork up front and a hidden monoshock at the rear, provides a plush ride, soaking up bumps without compromising stability. The wide handlebars offer good leverage, making low-speed maneuvers easier than expected. With a weight of around 761 pounds, it's certainly not a lightweight, but once moving, the bike feels balanced and planted, inspiring confidence on winding roads and straightaways alike. Riding experience. The 2025 BMW R18 Cruiser is all about the experience. The deep rumble of the Boxer engine, the way it leans into corners, and the way it effortlessly glides on highways create a sense of connection between rider and machine. Unlike some cruisers that sacrifice agility for style, the R18 strikes a perfect balance. The seating position is relaxed yet commanding, allowing you to enjoy long rides without discomfort. The wind protection is minimal, keeping the classic look intact, but an optional windscreen is available for those planning extended tours. Whether you're cruising coastal highways or navigating urban streets, the R18 delivers a ride that's as engaging as it is comfortable. Upgrades and customization. One of the most appealing aspects of the R18 Cruiser is its customization potential. BMW offers an extensive range of official accessories, allowing riders to tailor the bike to their preferences. From different seat options and luggage solutions to performance exhausts and aesthetic enhancements, the possibilities are vast. The aftermarket scene is also thriving, with countless third-party parts available for those who want a truly unique build. Whether you prefer a stripped-down bobber style or a fully loaded touring setup, the R18 platform is incredibly versatile. BMW has intentionally designed this bike to be a canvas for personal expression, ensuring no two R18s look exactly alike. Who is this for? The 2025 BMW R18 Cruiser isn't for everyone, it's for those who appreciate the finer things in motorcycling. It's for riders who want a machine that stands out, delivers a visceral riding experience, and carries a sense of history. If you're someone who values craftsmanship, enjoys the thump of a big twin, and wants a bike that blends classic aesthetics with modern tech, the R18 is perfect. It's also an excellent choice for those looking to customize their ride, as its modular design invites personalization. Pricing and availability. The 2025 BMW R18 Cruiser sits in the premium cruiser segment, with a starting price of around $17,995 for the base model. Higher spec variants and optional packages can push the price closer to $20,000. While it's not the most affordable cruiser on the market, the level of craftsmanship, performance, and brand prestige justifies the cost. Final thoughts. And that's a wrap on the 2025 BMW R18, where cruiser elegance meets powerful character. It's not about flash, it's muscle, poise, and presence all molded into one unforgettable ride. Let us know, would you take the R18 out for a cruise, or is another heavyweight pulling at your throttle? Hit that like button, subscribe to Speed Society for more two-wheeled legends, and don't forget to ring that bell so you never miss the next ride. Until next time, ride proud, ride bold, and stay in the torque zone.